So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna discuss a topic in calculus 2, a techniques that you're gonna use to evaluate the integral, a really complex integral. So on the previous video we discussed about the integration by parts, on the trigonometric integral, the trigonometric substitution, and the partial fraction. Now we're gonna discuss a topic that is called integration by with tables. So in integration with table, basically on a test, it will give you a bunch of formula uh, of the integral of a really complex integral that you cannot evaluate it by hands. You cannot use any other technique to evaluate. So you have to use this formula and you just change the variables, the variable u and a, and that basically just it. So now we're gonna move into this topics. So integration table are useful for looking up integral formula for integral which may be difficult to evaluate by hand, as I said. So now we're gonna move on to a example to help you guys figure out what is going on in this topic. So let's evaluate the integral of 1 over x squared multiplied by the square root of 4x squared plus 9 and dx. So the formula that I will give you here is, so on the test you have to search for it. It will give you a lot of formula and you have to pick a sufficient one, the one that is the same as your problems. So in this case I will give you the formula. So the formula is the integral of du over u squared multiplied by the square root of u squared plus a squared equal to the negative of square root of u squared plus a squared over a squared multiplied by u and plus c. So on this problem I will let u square equal to 4x squared, and therefore you have u equal to 2x, and you do the same with a. So a square equal to 9, and so a equal to 3. So now you had set up the things and ready for to evaluate the integral. So now from u equal to 2x you can find du, and du equal to 2 multiplied by dx. And also x equal to u over 2. So you have many things to setting up here and ready for evaluate integral. So now let's do it. So the integral of 1 over 4x squared plus 9 and oh wait, so I will let so because u squared equal to 4x squared, I will substitute 4x squared in the problem by u squared and do the same thing as for 9. So 9 equal to a squared, so I go ahead and make a substitution for that. And for x squared, because x equal to u over 2, so x squared will be u over 2 all square. So you have that I show you here, and then because du equal to 2 dx, so dx is equal to du over 2. So I go ahead and substitute all of that into the problems, and then I will simplify. So it will be equal to u squared over 4 multiplied by the square root of u squared plus a squared, and so let's simplify it more. So it will equal to 2 over u squared multiplied by the square root of u squared plus a squared du. So now it's not finished yet, because the integral is respected to x, so your final answer will be a equation that have x on it, the equation that respected to x, not about u. So you go ahead and change u and a into a number and or x. So first we have to use the formula right here. So we go ahead and put 2 outside. So here you have evaluate integral with respect to u and a, but as I said, the answer will be the equation that has x on it, so you have to change u and a into x and the numbers. So I will do it right here. So u squared is 4x squared and a squared is 9, so I make a substitution on that. And then for a squared it is 9 and u is 2x, so 9 multiplied by 2x, and I will cancel both the 2 on the numerator and denominator. So it will give us the negative of square root of 4x squared plus 9 over 9x plus c. So the final answer is here. So basically this thing is kind of easy. The first step you're gonna take is to find the appropriate formula that the test will provide it to you, and when you find it, you have to consider which is your u and which is a. So thank you for watching.